How to get started on the Wix affiliate program. Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can get started as a beginner on the Wix affiliate program, and I will be covering how you can apply and get referral commissions and get your own unique affiliate links. So if you don't know what a affiliate program is basically when you have a specific link, and if people click on that link, you will garner and gain money. So the Wix program enables you to make money just by other people clicking on your link. So to get started, you're just going to go on wix.com. You're going to go at the bottom of this page, and over here you can see affiliates. So you're going to click on that, and now this is going to open the affiliates about page. So this is how you make money using wix.com. So Wix says over 200 million people are using their affiliate program, and you will make $100 for every conversion. So you get $100 per sale. So every time someone clicks on your link, you will get $100 only once they actually purchase Wix and don't just use it for free. So you can get unlimited referrals as much as you want to post this link everywhere you can. You can get started on that. And now you're just going to click on Start Earning Now, and you are just going to give in your personal details first. Once I do that, I will get back to you guys in a minute. After your personal details, you're actually going to enter your site name and your site's URL. You're going to make sure if your site does not contain abusive content, and you can add more sites if you have more than one. And then you are going to click on Submit. Once you have entered all of your personal details, you're just going to add your site name and your URL. But if you want your account to actually be approved by Wix, I would most definitely recommend that you add more sites and URLs that you have or you own, because Wix really wants to know if you can actually generate traffic for them and if making you an affiliate on Wix will actually be helpful for their platform. So because of that, you might want to add as many websites as you have or you own. And then you are going to click on the I agree with TNC, and you're actually going to scroll down through the entire terms and conditions, because a lot of times once you even click on this and you press on submit, it will show you an error because you did not read the terms of use of wix.com. So just take a good look at the affiliate program terms and conditions, and once you do that, scroll to the bottom, close it, and then submit your affiliate sign up. Now you're going to wait until Wix actually approves your sign up, and if you added only one website, there are very slim chances that you will get approved unless you do have a large following. So if you have any kind of following on any social media platforms, it might be even helpful for you to add that over here to make sure that Wix actually knows that you will actually generate sales and generate more traffic to their website. Now, just taking a deeper dive into the features of this affiliate program, we're going to take a look at what are the actual benefits of this program, because obviously you're going to start earning money, but how much money is it going to be? What is going to be the payout? What is going to be the limit? What are the terms and conditions? And just to take a good look at that, we're going to discuss this further in detail. Now, for every sale that you generate, Wix does claim that it provides you $100 with each sale. So once a person clicks on the link, just like this, for example, if this was my affiliate link, if someone clicked on it, I wouldn't get $100, but I would only get $100 if they actually click the link and purchase something or purchase any kind of plan from Wix. That is when you actually get $100. Below that, you can see that they're talking about unlimited referrals. So you can use this link as much as you want, and you can get paid for it every time. And if you make a premium sale, so if someone buys something larger from Wix, the more money that your viewer is spending on Wix, the more money it will get to you. And also you get some creative resources from the Wix affiliates program. You will get some digital branding, you will get some DIY web designs, and all of the features that are included in the free version of Wix. You will also get just a few more add-ons to that. The dashboard of the affiliates program is also going to give you good analytics and data on where your affiliate link has gone to, how many people are hovering their mouse over it, how many people are actually clicking it, the ratio of people that actually do make a purchase versus the ratio of those who do not, what kind of traffic you are getting, what is your target market, where you should be actually advertising this more, and all of those details are provided by the dashboard on Wix. And these are just the general features that are provided by Wix for their affiliates. There are certain limitations to this, so I'm not just going to say it's all rainbows and unicorns and you're just going to start making $100 from each click. That's really realistically not possible. There are a few drawbacks and a bit of underhanded cuts that are made, so you won't really be earning $100. The $100 number is only for premium sales, and it's very unlikely that you will garner premium sales on a website that is available for free. So you can see on this pricing plan on Wix, there are a lot of upgrades that are available, and if someone is just using your link to create a free website, then you won't garner any sales. You will just drive traffic and that's it. You won't get any kind of money. But if they purchase something, that's the only time you get money, and depending on what they purchase, your amount is going to be determined. If you take a look at their affiliates facts and questions, they actually do have a monthly target. So you have to earn at least a minimum of $300 if you actually want to cash out your money. But if you earn like $299, you won't actually be able to use it, and that will just go into your pending money. And until you meet the $300 mark, you can't cash out any of the money. And the emails and the monthly system is usually started at the 15th day of the month. You can also note that if you have a adult website, if you're running adult content on it, you cannot become a Wix affiliate. So if you are someone that is prone to cursing or prone to that kind of content, and if that is curated on your website, Wix can remove you from their affiliate program at any time. And that is just the drawback of the Wix affiliate program. And now you can see over on my Gmail, I actually have to confirm my email before I actually fully apply for the affiliate program. Once you confirm your email, you are going to be all set, and your affiliate application has basically been sent to Wix. At the time of this video, Wix really isn't accepting new affiliates. I have noticed that there has been a decrease because Wix has a lot of popularity and it is already one of the largest free website building platforms, and it's not really efficient for Wix to be giving out such large payouts to affiliate links, so it's kind of difficult to get your affiliate program approved. But if you do get it approved, it's easy money and it'll be like very easy side cash if you're just using the affiliate link, and once you get it, it's for free and you can just cash out whenever you meet their goals. So it's not a bad program to sign up for. I'm just being honest with you guys and letting you guys know that you might not be accepted into this program. So just to wrap it up and give you guys all the information in a nutshell, well, Wix does provide a good affiliate program. However, there are certain drawbacks, including one-time payouts. So if your client is purchasing something from your affiliate link, you will only get paid for their purchase once. Even if they're spending thousands of dollars on Wix, you will only get the initial first purchase payment. The second thing is that the $300 payout is actually very high. So for every 3 links, 3 premium payouts, you will actually be able to take your money out and actually use it. The third thing that is actually pretty disappointing about the Wix affiliate program is that although they do advertise unlimited referrals, you only get a 30-day cookie life. So if someone clicked on your Wix link and then after a month they decided to actually use it and purchase something from Wix, you won't get anything from that sale because the Wix cookies expire within 30 days. So your sales need to be generated as soon as someone actually clicks on the link. And you constantly have to bring in new paying customers. And the last thing is that I'm going to take you back to the basic Wix website, and I'm going to tell you guys the cold hard truth. Well, Wix is most popular for its online and free features. 80% of Wix users actually use the website for free and use all its tools for free, so it's kind of unlikely to gain a premium client so easily. And that's just the cold hard evidence that is provided everywhere on the internet. Although you might garner some sales and there are high conversion rates and the payouts are quite timely, you cannot really generate these sales unless you already have an audience that is very large and is willing to dish out that kind of money. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and are now well aware of all of the pros and cons of the Wix affiliate program and how you can get started on the program. I will catch you guys in the next video.